I'm
still.
like,
So what I did was I
mhm,
used the data analytics in OpenAI, and I uploaded a list and I told it to analyze this data for me to find all properties selling for 60K or less. And
mhm,
so it did its thing with Python and everything. And then I got to it, it found the properties for me. It
mhm.
found, I think, 10 of them, right?
Wow.
So I got the properties, I got the addresses and price. And you scoot over and I'm gonna show you the price right here. 48,000, 44,900, 49. These two were entered by mistake. They're actually rentals. 34,000, 50,000. That's another rental. Some people don't know how to upload stuff to the MLS.
Mhm,
31,000, 45,000, 48, 50, and so forth. And then you can even go further into the spreadsheet, and some of them will tell you what's needed. Like this one's complete shell, full gut. This one's a flip, and so on, so on. And so I continued on and said, hey, analyze, create a scope of work. So, Raj, you know how like sometimes tedious it is doing the scope of
mhm.
work. And if
Yep.
you could have just a template, like, or a spreadsheet just to fill in.
Hmm.
So this is what it did. It did the scope of work for one of the properties I had on the list. And then it read the description and it researched it online, and you have the exterior improvements, roof, windows, landscape and electrical, plumbing, kitchen, bathroom upgrades, basement, attic, and so forth. And then I said, well, can you continue on, give me a cost estimate? And then
Mhm.
it went on and it did the cost estimate, and then it did a range between 5,000, like it's the minimum to the max, right? So you never know really like what
Wow.
actually the cost would be unless you
Hmm.
put in just, like minimum grade and then the maximum. And then so it came up with 59,000 and then 168. So I said, okay, so give me what the after repair value is within zero point 0.1 mile. It couldn't do it just based on my spreadsheet. So I had to upload another one, and then it gave me the after repair value. So these are the closed sales, recent close, active listings. Look, 405,000, 435,000, 329,000. So that property, if, and it gives me the price to bid. So I'm like, okay, how about what should the acquisition be with a mid range repair cost? And it gave me the answer, 32,750. And I think it was the seller had wanted 44.5. So I just have to print this out, present it to him, write up the offer, and get it for 32.7, do mid-range repair, right, with hard money loan, of course,
Hmm.
and then flip it for the after repair value.